get it confused. I'm not a scholar or a preacher. I'm just a regular dude who makes mistakes too. But we are reflections true. So I can't talk about me without talking about you.
I'm wearing the traditional shawl, as you can see. I like it. It's a very respectable look. And I need to upgrade my respectability. They told me that be careful, Karachi is a place with this high crime. Yeah. So I was carrying a stick around. I think I was misled.
He's carrying a stick around.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a vlog of my stay in Islamabad. I've been here in Pakistan now for effectively 2 weeks. Went to Karachi, went to Lahore, and now we're finishing off in Islamabad. It's been back to back. Been doing lots of events. Extremely exhausting, mentally fatiguing, got sick a couple of times. But you know what? I said to myself, this place, Islamabad, is actually a very interesting place. So I want to give you a bit of a taste of Islamabad by showing you some of the things that I've done. Hopefully you enjoy. Look at this beautiful Islamabad, mashallah. So what's the name of this?
Margala Hills.
Margala Hills.
Margala Hills.
Now this is nice.
You know, a plane crashed in this mountain.
Really?
Up there. A plane crashed. A passenger plane crashed up there.
Really? Why? How comes?
And this was about 10 years ago.
So Adnan, what is this? Where are we now?
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What the hell? Yeah.
This is Islamabad, the city of Islamabad, and it's a clear day today. It was raining yesterday, so it's not cloudy anymore. It's sunny, and you can see the beautiful city of Islamabad. And this is where the Himalaya range starts. It goes for thousands of miles all the way up to the northern territories of Pakistan, where you find some of the highest mountains in the world, K2, Nanga Parbat. The second two highest mountains in the world are in that region, in this same mountain range, and it starts from the city of Islamabad.
Look at that beautiful sunset now. Amazing. Wow. What an underrated city is Islamabad.
There are places in Hijab, there are places in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Your breath will stop.
Northern areas.
Yeah, you'll stop breathing.
If you find this beautiful,
You'll be awestruck. You'll
if
be
you
awestruck.
find this beautiful, then when you go to northern
you'll
areas,
be completely blown away.
yes.
Look at this gorgeous city, mashallah.
Absolutely amazing.
Amazing.
And you can see all the lights, they've come on. It's Maghrib time almost.
Yes.
And you can see the city lit up.
I brought Hijab here to create some proper Pakistani kadai and tikka. Hijab cannot come to Pakistan and not enjoy the proper traditional Pakistani food. That cannot happen.
History tells us by social media that every person in this whole world is just 6% away from everyone. Everyone, 6%. Even we are 6% away.
I am in Islamabad with the legend, Tipu Sultan.
We don't speak about how Islamabad could be an option for people to actually live in. We talk about Abu Dhabi, we talk about Dubai, we talk about Doha.
Yes.
Yeah? We talk about Turkey, Istanbul, but we don't talk enough about Islamabad because it is up there with these kind of options, bro. I think so.
It's beautiful.
The city has been developed from bottom up. It's beautiful because it's connected to the mountains. You got kind of like a Cape Town feel. They manage it very well. If the whole of Pakistan was like Islamabad, Pakistan would be like on a completely different level, bro. So Islamabad is an actual viable option for someone who wants to live in a country not in the West and still get, you can still speak and do da'wah and eat food and do this and that and have good quality of life, I think.
Yeah.